Yeah, here's a collection of things that we've been asked, I think. And so we'll start with what QuickPay is not. What QuickPay is not, it is not a loan. It's not a debt on your balance sheet. It's not there to replace your existing line of credit with your bank. What we find with, you know, well-heeled quality trades and subcontractors is that they need to have a line of credit. They may have a surety or they may have bonding capacity that they're going after or that they have in place. And so, tapping their line of credit and utilizing that or that being funded and at a high level over a period of time can hurt their score, can hurt their rating, and hurt their availability for future capacity or increase in capacity. So what QuickPay is not, it is not a debt on the balance sheet. Instead, we are purchasing your pay app. We're funding on it, and it's a clean transaction. It goes into your cash, and then ultimately, when we collect, you get the remainder, the reserve, and you're charged a fee for the solution that we provide. Is it dependent on your credit score? It's not dependent on your credit score. Now, certainly, we do not want to get into a situation where we're dealing with a company that's potentially going under. So we don't do that. We can help many companies, and we can definitely help on growth as we have with CM Red and many others. But it's not dependent on your personal credit score. What ProNovos allows us to do, and the reason why we are partners with ProNovos, is it provides the data analytics for us as a funding resource and a funding solution. It provides the data analytics so that we can make the right decision on different projects and on pay apps as they come our way. And so with that, that information coming to us, we're able to empower our clients so that they can take on work in a comfortable manner, knowing that they have a consistent, predictable cash cycle. Does it change your contract terms with your GC? QuickPay Direct does not change your contract terms with your GC. As David was explaining, it's a discrete solution, essentially. We're not sending notification or a notice of assignment to your GC or changing terms in any way. Your general contractor, when you bill, let's say $100,000, they are going to pay $100,000 to CM Red, care of Viva Capital, or to CM Red through the remittance into the bank account as indicated and asked for by CM Red, which is the bank account that we collectively have agreed to with our client. So again, it's a discrete solution where you maintain control as a subcontractor. QuickPay Direct does not fund on your withheld retainage. So that's a question that we've had in the past. No, it does not do that. It does not disrupt that in any way, or again, disrupt your contract terms or anything, take any power away from the GC or the owner or threaten that relationship in any way. Is it disruptive to your relationship with your bank? QuickPay Direct is not. Actually, the bankers that we talk to and the clients that have lines of credit in place, if anything, with sureties and bonding companies, they like the fact that you're getting a consistent, predictable cash solution, and that you're not going to get strung out on your accounts receivable and have your aging move to the right, if you will, on your sheet. So it is not disruptive to your relationship with your bank. We do file a UCC, but we are willing to file that in an inferior position to your bank. So whoever your senior secured lender is remains senior secured. So we just step in line behind them. QuickPay is a solution to be used, a lever to be pulled when you need it. So again, you maintain control. And then lastly, is it traditional factoring? Traditional factoring would be a factoring company buying all of your accounts receivable, sending a notice of assignment to all of your general contractors or to your account debtors, and handling all the collections of those. We are not. We're really just an arm to CM Red and to their accounting group and to their project managers. So it is not traditional factoring in that sense. We are it's imperative that we have the data analytics through ProNovos in order for us to provide this solution. And then also, we're anonymous when it comes to talking with your general contractor and the verification. We partner up with you and whoever the contact is so that we can be comfortable that the remittance information for payments is going to ultimately come to Viva and that, we are on the same page with that. But we do that under your leading the process if you're the subcontractor we're working with.
So what I'm hearing, Greg, is we can expedite the whole process with the addition of the ProNovos platform, right? And then also just kind of being that, extra assistance as need be, completely optional, and you're kind of in the background as far as how you're interacting with each of the clients, but not so much with their the GCs or banks or anyone else. So